Hey guys, and welcome back to the last part in this 6-part tutorial on using Google Sheets for iPad. Last time we were looking at linking Google Sheets with Google Forms, including what Google Forms is and how it's used, the benefits of linking them together, and how we can use Google Sheets as a place to store all the data that we have gathered from forms. In this last part, we're going to talk about sharing and collaborating, including adding people and groups to our Google Sheets, managing the access that different groups of people have, and adjusting permissions to suit your needs. So let's add some people to this sheet that I have open here. I'm currently in editing mode, which means that there's this green tick here at the top left. If I press that, then I can now share this sheet with the people that I choose with this button here. Now when I tap that, it will prompt me to add people or groups, and here, for example, I might choose to add someone called John Smith at google.com. Press enter, and now I get the option to make him an editor, someone that can edit the sheet how they wish, or a commenter, someone who can add comments but they can't change, they can't edit the data that's on the sheet, or just simply a viewer who can view the sheet and nothing else. There's also more options here in the 3 dots at the top right. We can skip sending notifications so that when we send this, they won't get a notification, their access will just be updated. I can also add a message here to go with the notification that it will send to John Smith. I can tap on Manage Access, and here I can share this sheet with anyone with a link, for example, or restrict it to certain people. And they can either be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. I can also copy the link with this button up here. Now the link's copied to the clipboard and I can paste that wherever I like. Now, one other way that I can share with other people is through Google Drive, which is the app that I'm in now. And I can use this 3-dot menu here to also share. So again, we get the same kind of options as we saw before, but you can add people or groups here. You can manage the access that people have here, and you can skip sending notifications. So exactly the same as before. If we wanted to share more than one file at the same time, for example, all of these 3 Google Sheets here, then we can go to the folder that they are contained within and do the same. 3 dots and share, and add the people that we want to, and it will share everything in that folder at the same time. So that's the last part for our series on using Google Sheets with iPads. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and if you've missed any of the previous videos, head back to my channel and you can have a look through functions and formulas, viewing and sorting, charts and images, or Google Forms. See you soon.